Today we're going to be talking about installation of the Raptor Radome. We're going to be putting together the actual unit and walking you through the steps of installation. As you will see in the first step, once you have the bulkheads and spine exposed, you'll put the top mounting ring on. Even though it does come with 3 slots, you may have to field drill into your existing bulkhead. As you can see, the through bolts going into the bulkhead, what you do is you line up the mounting ring, line up your bolts, and then the vertical bolts that connect each segment of the mounting ring go in the top. Then moving down, you have the lower mounting ring. Again, these are the pre-engineered mounting rings that mount to the diameter of the bulkhead rings. So again, through bolting into the bulkhead, there's 3 bolts. In this case, it may just be 2, but typically there's 3. Again, these holes all lined up, you may have to field drill. And then you've got your vertical bolts which connect your rings. And then you tighten them up. We do recommend just a good snug tight fit on these. Again, these are traditionally with structural hardware that's supplied with the Raptor Radome. So tensioning the bolt is important. So if you want to use turn a nut method or just snug tight, that should meet the requirements. So now that the top and bottom mounting rings are connected, and you can see the hinge pins, top and bottom, the door drops into place on the bottom hinge first. And then the top hinge pin drops into place, latching it, securing it with a safety clip and the collar washers that go over the hinge pin that gives you the vertical height adjustment. Now comes time to put the skirting piece on. If there was any vertical height adjustment, you may need to trim in the field the skirting piece that's getting bolted on now. Once that is complete, you've now installed your Raptor Radome. It's ready for service. So again, the Raptor Radome door installation video, and any questions, reach out to us at www.allfasteners.com. There's some good additional information on our website. Thank you.